So what if I told you there's a new, completely free app from Instagram that could replace your entire video creation toolkit? That's the huge question we're digging into today as we look at Edits, Instagram's brand new app that is seriously trying to change the game for creators.
Sound familiar? Yeah, if you're a creator, I'm betting this screen is your life. You know the drill. You film in one app, you jump to another to add text, then a third to get the colors right. It's just this constant, frustrating shuffle. And it's not just the app juggling, right? You're fighting these ugly watermarks slapped on your videos, you're wishing you had pro tools like a decent green screen on your phone, and every single time you export and re-upload, your quality just tanks. It's a total mess. Well, Instagram is stepping into the ring with their answer to all that chaos. They've launched this dedicated standalone app called Edits, and it's designed to tackle all those problems head-on. The promise is as simple as it is bold. Make great videos all in one spot.
So what is this thing exactly? Okay, it's a free app, which is huge, but it's also built to be professional grade. The whole idea is to have one single place for your entire workflow. I'm talking from the little spark of an idea all the way to checking your analytics after you've posted.
And this quote, man, it just hits on two of the biggest pain points for creators right off the bat. Number one, it's totally free. Number two, no more watermarks. Seriously, for anyone who's been shelling out money for apps or just dealing with ugly logos on their work, this is a massive deal.
Okay, but here's the thing. Before we even get into the nitty-gritty of the editing tools, you've got to understand that Edits wants to be your creative command center. It's built to help you plan and organize your content before you even think about hitting that record button. First up is the Ideas tab, and this is basically your digital mood board or scrapbook. You can jot down concepts on these little virtual sticky notes, and get this, it automatically pulls in any reels or audio you've already saved on Instagram, so all your inspiration is finally in one place.
Then you've got the Inspiration tab. Think of this as your secret weapon for never running out of ideas. It's a direct pipeline to what's trending on Instagram right now. It shows you the viral sounds, the popular formats, everything you need to know to stay relevant.
And of course, there's the Projects tab, which is pretty much your home base. All your drafts, your finished videos, they all live here nice and organized. And a super handy feature is that you can duplicate a project, so you can try out a crazy new edit without messing up your original version.
And finally, this is huge. After you post, the Insights tab kicks in. This is your performance dashboard. It's going to track your reach, your engagement, even how long people are watching your videos. This is the real data you need to figure out what's actually connecting with your audience.
And a chart like this just shows you how powerful that is. I mean, sure, likes are nice for the ego, but seeing how many people are actually sharing or saving your content, that's the stuff that tells you you're making an impact. This data takes all the guesswork out of your strategy.
All right, so you're all planned out, you're organized. Now let's get to the main event, the editing suite itself. Because this is where Instagram is really trying to bring desktop-level power right into your pocket.
And this chart, wow, it really puts things into perspective, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way, the mobile juggle, basic timelines, limited audio. On the right, you have edits. We're talking multi-track layering, pro audio mixing, a built-in teleprompter. These are things that just weren't available in one simple mobile app before.
Okay, get ready for this because one of the coolest features has to be the AI-powered cutout tool. With literally a single tap, it can find a person or an object in any photo or video and just, poof, remove the background. It's kind of magic.
And look, this isn't just some gimmicky little trick. As this quote says, this tool lets you create really complex visual effects that up until now, you absolutely needed a powerful computer and desktop software to pull off. It's making high-level VFX accessible to everyone.
All right, now, for anyone who talks to the camera, this next feature is an absolute game changer. I'm talking about the built-in teleprompter. And it's so simple. You just paste your script in, adjust the speed so it's comfortable for you, and hit record. It makes it so easy to look confident and connect directly with your audience. No memorizing required. And they didn't forget about audio, which is, half the video. The tools here are seriously impressive. You get full multi-track mixing, but the really cool stuff is the smart features, like an AI tool that cleans up background noise and something that automatically finds the beat in a song to help you sync your cuts perfectly. And you might be thinking, okay, but what's the catch? Does the quality take a hit? Nope. The app can record and export in full 4K at a super smooth 60 frames per second. For anyone who cares about that crisp, professional look, this is a must-have. And that's not even all of it. This table gives you a quick peek at some other pro-level tools packed inside. You've got a high-quality green screen, precision color grading to develop your own signature look, auto captions, the list goes on. The whole point is to give you everything in one app.
So let's zoom out for a second. What does all of this add up to? Well, the big takeaway here is that Instagram is trying to demolish every single obstacle that stands between a creator's idea and a finished video.
Okay, lean in for this one, because this might be the most important part of this whole thing. Sources are hinting that videos made with edits might not just look better, they might actually get prioritized by the Instagram algorithm. Let that sink in. If that's true, just using this free app could give your content a massive, built-in boost.
And really, this quote from the team behind it, it kind of says it all, doesn't it? This whole thing is about empowerment. It's about making it as easy as humanly possible for you to get your story out there and seen by the world.
So, when you strip everything else away, what are you left with? It's an all-in-one workflow from start to finish. There are no annoying watermarks, and it costs you absolutely nothing. It's a pretty powerful combination.
Which brings us right back to that million-dollar question we started with. When you have this much power, for free, sitting right on your phone, could this be the beginning of the end for desktop editing for social media? That's the question we're all going to be watching unfold. Thanks for joining me for this breakdown.